How to fix Instagram Reels audio problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Instagram Reels audio problem on Android phone. First, then just open settings, scroll down until you find apps, and then click apps again, and here all you need to do just search for Instagram, and then just click this one here, storage, clear cache, and go to permission. Check this one, storage, enable it, and storage and microphone, enable those here, and then just click for stop and try again. Your problem must be fixed, and or you can just restart your phone and try again. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.